Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, how big is the universe? Does it ever end? And if it does, what's beyond that edge? These are the questions that keep scientists awake at night. And today, we're diving right into them. Welcome to Universe for Curious, the channel where we explore the mysteries of space and time. In today's video, we're asking one of humanity's greatest questions: does the universe have an end? And what lies beyond it? Part 1. How it all began. The universe began 13.8 billion years ago with the Big Bang, a massive explosion from a point smaller than an atom. From that single moment came everything: time, space, stars, galaxies, and eventually us. But if it started from one point, where does it all end? Part 2. Expansion of the universe. Since the Big Bang, the universe has been expanding, not slowly, but faster than the speed of light. And that sounds impossible, right? Einstein said nothing can go faster than light. The trick is, it's not matter moving, it's space itself stretching. Part 3. The balloon analogy. Imagine blowing up a balloon with dots drawn on it. And the balloon expands, the dots move farther apart. Not because they're moving, but because the surface itself is stretching. That's exactly how our universe works. So if space keeps stretching forever, will galaxies disappear from sight? Part 4. The fate of the universe. If expansion continues forever, distant galaxies will move away so fast, their light will never reach us. Billions of years from now, the night sky could look empty. No stars, no galaxies, just darkness. Part 5. Is there an edge? Some scientists say the universe is infinite. Others think it's curved like the surface of a sphere, with no true edge. And some suggest we are inside a higher dimension, which means escaping would require time travel faster than light. But the truth is, no one knows. So what do you think? Is the universe endless, or does it have a boundary we'll never reach? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love exploring the mysteries of space, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next cosmic adventure. Until then, keep looking up.